Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about the filter option in Excel. So let's get into the worksheet. Masi equine tongo is the filtering option ni. Filtering option have a singarang equine tongiba magi chapter 8 tongiba sorting gi sorting dugo mane sorting dana karino agi leribe data du arrange tobani up degi largest degi smallest e degi jeta natraga older degi oldest degi new da sumaina sorting tobani data si but in filtering dana kaino certain data amakak aina ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯦꯇꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ certain data ꯈꯔ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯗꯦꯇꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ hide ꯇꯧꯕ ꯈꯛꯀꯤ ꯋꯥꯅꯦꯕ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯕꯁꯦ so in this ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯤ ꯗꯦꯇꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔꯅꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯁ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯦꯜ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯦꯟड ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯜꯔꯦꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯐꯤꯜꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯞ ꯗꯥꯎꯟ ꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯕꯇꯟ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯗꯣ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯅꯤ again if I click filter it will activate it okay now so we are going to do text based filter so filter tꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯇꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯝꯃꯁꯤ ꯅꯝꯃꯒ sortingꯅ A to Z to A ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ filter ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯅ text filterꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ text filter ꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯣꯞꯁꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯗꯦꯇꯥꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯛꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯀ꯭ꯂꯨꯗ ꯇꯧꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯀꯦ particular text ama particular item amkhak sort tauge haibane suppose Andaman Nicobar Island gi patience khakta yenge hairagadi amai tawni select all haina sida irise select all se ina unclick tawbu tare then I click Andaman and Nicobar and then click OK it will show only the Andaman and Nicobar patience ado atopa leiriba data singdo delete tawkibeti natteba see you can see from here see 1 682 the lies atai rosing to kai sakre height toraga laikibane if I drag this one down you can see this one you can see Bihar is already there see marakta soleramani dumkara see Maharashtra is here like that there are so many other cells which I have filtered out but it is hidden it is not deleted so let's undo it okay and then hanagi sorting da koi undo to bi yadaba du mena sidadi undo to bi undo to kamai tawni filter si clear to matam da clear the filter from selected detected state si clear to matam da hanagi original format la kana that agi arrangement the change and polite only things filtering is doing is that it is filtering out what you like ado hojiki select all sina tabida ekoina kaigumba aina khangadoriba data sina ꯌꯥꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯗꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯟꯙ꯭ꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁꯀ ꯈꯟꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯔ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯟꯙ꯭ꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯈꯛ ꯅꯝꯃꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯑꯟꯙ꯭ꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯁꯤꯈꯛ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯜ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯂꯦꯛ ꯑꯣꯜꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯟꯙ꯭ꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁꯁꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯕ ꯁꯤꯈꯛ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯟꯇꯤꯛ ꯇꯧ then ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯔꯤꯖꯜꯠꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯟꯙ꯭ꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯗꯦꯁ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯗꯦꯇꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯠꯀꯅꯦꯕ let's click okay so sida Andhra Pradesh yauramaroi ko Andhra Pradesh ki data ampu yauroi yengudu sida khangdana Kerala do tawsi ko Andhra Pradesh hapasi Kerala se lok thuksi mathakta leiriba Kerala ahum yaurisa disappear to horne so Kerala has gone it is also seen from here one haraga 3 2 3 4 5 to learn high taw leire and state amakhakumba hadi aigi category amakha aina lok thokningba tabata oiragadi hariba poto untick tawbiyo aduga amadu khak aina pamba Kerala du khak aina pamin khalasi so and clear it Kerala se khak pam taragadi select all se loina untick tawbiro aduga sida Kerala namasu ya Kerala then it will show only for the Kerala let's clear it again sigi data si Kerala sida khari yawi swaida Kerala khari yawi swaida Kerala khari yawi ko sume tonga tonga jaga da Kerala yawi nangi boss tu na ha nangi data si loina ure to Kerala khaki yawbudu aingodu lu aina hai taragadi si filter option si sangaga aina Kerala pami bado adu khak namasu ya Kerala adu si Kerala nga tarani sigi posi copy tawraga pi khasu yare angodu ut khasu yare sumaina and total number of record nani yening so sida lay 357 out of 6725 are from Kerala. And text based. Okay, let's see another option. Text filter. Sina criteria based filtering now. Sina mokogi drop down the I know the list some layer I know. Then there is another filtering option called criteria based filtering. So let's click equals. Itang mo dahang equals manaba kari manaba k Kerala ka manaba. Sim Kerala na to k na huba k hoba Kerala natraga kari siga. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh के हमको याद है. Let's clear it. Let's go to text filter. Begins with the sasi. Begins with the sasi ki na hoba. Ko ki na hoba kanda. Doine Kerala la hai, Karnataka la hai. Ko sumena Kerala ka Karnataka ka loin la hai. Then let's clear it. Again, let's do ends with. Ends with ta koi kariya siga. H na loi bahara sigo. The Pradesh na loi bang koi loi la ani. उत्तर प्रदेश लद्दाख ला है को आंध्र प्रदेश ला है अरुणाचल प्रदेश ले रंगनी को लद्दाख हिमाचल प्रदेश and H na loy single never. Next, let's clear it. Again, let's select filter with contains. Contains the kari yauba. And the A R Y yauba. Khanse bako A R Y khak yauba. Haryana the hen ba to country sing si yaudra state sing si A R Y ni yaudre bako. So aina criteria do aina fit tawado ne. Clear it. Let's go again. Text filter and does not contain. Yaudab hiring. A yaudab lerungadra. Delhi. Delhi se A have a word umpo yaudeko Delhi da. Puducherry yaudeko. Sumaina sisu to and then let's clear it. Custom filter. So custom filter da koi kariya sige equals Kerala. Kerala suyauba or D suyauba and contains D. ಅದವರೆಗೆ ಕೇರಳ ಸುಲ ದಿ ಯಾವ್ದ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ದಿ ಸು ಯಾವ್ರೆ ದಿಲ್ಲಿದ ಸು ದಿ ಯಾವ್ರೆ ಸುಮೇನ್ ಲಾಯ್ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಮುಖನ್ಸೆ text filter custom does not contain ಇದನ್ನ ಕರಿ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ದಿ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ and equals Kerala ದಿ ಯಾವ್ದಪ್ಪ ಅಮಸುಂಗ್ Kerala su oiba yabrengsigo so it is showing Kerala. Saya maduka Kerala na khalla su yai but tabu I know the variety of kari hai tare variables variety of options p be given no I pam le potu ki criteria ri match to matu ina filter based criteria based filtering se sisu to bi hai ko sina akhoi text based filtering hai tare. Next akhoi number based filtering. Number based filtering to har gadi samani hana text to ko chamane only thing is that here we have different criteria. The equal does not equal or sida disigi number like this di chamane ba ai sida kalam sida la even number ko dimuk to loya tik like ne ba it means that see it means that all 10 will be included 11 yaw bang holen half kon 12 yaw so loy namak include to we have ne loy namak include to ne ba ai ne 10 se include to pa hande har gadi sumena 10 yaw dre ba sigi data sida ko no maina muka 10 hola se then let's say 93 see 100 but 93 Nikolai is 93 see a whole so 93 has gone. So this is same with the text base but let's look out the criteria based filtering because so equals as equals to 90 ka manabam ko loina sort filter to have but 90 is in select or so all the persons with age of 90 will be filtered and presented to me. Similarly, let's clear it again. Number base does not equal to. Sina mukka gari manadaba. Ado I 20 yawbase amta pamdre. The 20 yawbase amta pamdragadi does not equal to 20. So it will sort it out all the data which are not 20 years of age. Again, clear it, filter, and greater than the certain age amagi degi greater than 30 degi hen mangoi loina sort of hallas 60 degi hen ba. So it is showing all the patients with age more than 60 years. And clear it. Again, let's go another one. Top 10 or between this greater than haibaga greater than or equal to haibaga kari greater than or greater than equal to. So greater than and equal to haragadi in 20 and haibakanda. Greater than or equal to 20 haragadi, it will include the 20 also. But if I select only greater and haibataradi, greater than 20 haragadi 20 yauru selector matamda. The yawu potami yangasiko 93. 93 see in irasista. 93 de dagi hen wang ba haibani 93 dagi hen jaw number haibakanda 93 yauru aro. But if I select greater than or equal to 93, 93 will also include. See, 93 is also included. Similarly, less than or equal to. Less than haragana, less than 20 haragadi 20 yauro. Less than or equal to 20 haragadi 20 will also include. This is just the opposite of greater than or equal to. And between sina mukarino is greater than some, suppose 20 degi henba ko aduga amga 25 degi taba adhabadi 20 degi na 25 manung daleba patient singulu habane in between habe zamane ko adu 20 amasung 25 su yawgane maramdi ida equal to higher greater than equal to less than or equal to happen in 20 and 25 is also included here. So let's see, this 20 is included, 25 is also included. So this is a between. Next, let's see another one. Below average. Below average haisina kaino lairiba below average ane number taragadi sigi column sida lairiba in a sing sigi excel na average value am calculate tawrane masan automatically adugi calculate values dugi below makhada or above average haragana adugi average du makada. Suppose sigi age may am sing sigi average mean value is 16 in lower say then above average haisina 60 matha angoli la ane below average haragana 60 ki makhada la kane. This is here above average. So this is above average. Excel has calculated maybe it is 53 is here, so it may be average maybe of around 40, 45, whatever. So we can see what is the average value by doing the sorting, smallest to largest. So 53 is the average. 52 is the average. 52 average above average hai matumda si makaktolo lai se hoje amuka kai dose below average 10. Sorting to say largest. So 52. So 52 is the average never go aduna actually aduna above the average da 52 mathak holan la 53 de horaga below average hargana 52 gi makhada loi la 53 gi makhada loi la ko. So this is number based filtering and another one was text based filtering, and this is for this lecture, and in the next lecture we will be talking about date based filtering. See you in the next lecture.